What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a quick comparison of Huawei MatePad T10 and T10s tablets. We will talk about all of the differences between these two devices, the similarities, and which one you should buy depending on your requirement. So here we go. Both Huawei MatePad T10 and T10s come with the Kirin 710A processor, but the difference is in terms of RAM and storage. Both Wi-Fi and 4G version of MatePad T10 come with 2GB RAM and 16GB storage, while the Wi-Fi version of MatePad T10s comes with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage, and the 4G LTE version comes with 3GB RAM and 64GB storage. So in terms of RAM and storage both, we got better options available on MatePad T10s. But both of these devices also got microSD card slot that supports up to 512GB of storage. Huawei MatePad T10 comes with a 9.7-inch screen with HD Plus resolution and 156 ppi. And we got a 10.1-inch Full HD screen with 224 ppi. So in terms of screen size and resolution, Huawei MatePad T10s is better compared to T10. Talking about the display related features, both of these devices they come with TUV Rhineland certified eye comfort mode, dark mode, and the ebook mode. But if you have a look, you can see that the display of MatePad T10s is a bit warmer side, and we got a cooler tint on MatePad T10. Now talking about the design, both of them are exactly same with minor differences. All port slots etc. are exactly at the same spot on MatePad T10 and T10s, and even the length, width, height dimensions are exactly same as well, and both of them weigh 450 gram. The only difference is in terms of the color of the back panel. Even though Huawei officially calls both of them as deep sea blue, the color of the back panel of MatePad T10s is slightly darker compared to MatePad T10, and the same goes with the upper part here as well. Here it is a bit lighter, and here we got darker blue shade. Another difference is in terms of the thickness of the bezels. MatePad T10 got slightly thicker bezels compared to MatePad T10s, and it is easy to understand because both of them are exactly same in terms of design, dimensions, weight. So since the screen size is a bit smaller compared to MatePad T10s, Huawei just increased the size of the bezels to fit the 9.7-inch screen on the same body and chassis like MatePad T10s. Talking about the software, both MatePad T10s and T10 come with Emotion UI 10.1 and Android 10. Both of them got exact same features as well, so in terms of software based feature, both are exactly same. Talking about the battery life, both of them got exact 5100 mAh battery, so the battery performance of MatePad T10 is going to be slightly better because of the smaller screen and low resolution. But another difference is that MatePad T10s comes with a 10 watt charger and MatePad T10 comes with a 5 watt charger in its box. So when it comes to charging speed, the performance of T10s is going to be better compared to T10. Talking about the camera, both of them got 2 megapixel front camera and 5 megapixel rear camera with exact same camera features. So once again, there is no difference when it comes to camera performance and features between MatePad T10 and T10s. Both MatePad T10 and T10s come with dual speakers, but the difference is that T10s comes with Harman Kardon tuned speakers, while this feature is not available on MatePad T10. So the speaker quality is expected to be better on the T10s compared to T10. But I will soon do a speaker test comparison video of MatePad T10 and T10s to see how much difference we are going to get in terms of loudness, audio quality, and other acoustic features between these two tablets. So do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live and uploaded. And another difference between Huawei MatePad T10 and T10s is in terms of pricing. The Wi-Fi version of Huawei MatePad T10s is nearly 25% costlier compared to the price of T10, and the 4G LTE version is nearly 40% more expensive compared to 4G LTE version of Huawei MatePad T10. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.